How to recover your suspended Instagram account. Why is an account suspended? If you use third-party apps or websites to log into Instagram, or if you're following a lot of people continuously, your account could get suspended. Avoid these actions to keep your account safe. How to recover a suspended account. If your account is suspended, you have 180 days to recover it. Tap on the appeal option at the bottom of the screen. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Next. Enter your email ID, as a confirmation code will be sent there. Enter the code and click Next. If you didn't get the OTP, click Request New Code to receive a new one. After entering the code, you'll be asked to enter your mobile number with your country code, e.g., +91 for India. Click Send Code, and you'll receive an OTP on your mobile. Enter that OPT and click Next. Your account will be recovered, and you'll see the message. Your account is no longer suspended. That's it. Your account will be open again. If you